I'm Joyce, and I live in Ashport, Ohio, and I work at Owens Corning. I've been here for 25 years. I'm a machine operator here at Owens, and I also do selector packaging material. I was probably in my 30s when I started smoking, and started when I started working. Probably more social, and then just kept on with addiction. It kind of went hand in hand, smoking and socializing together. I wanted to quit because I was coughing a lot, and you know that everybody can smell it that's not a smoker. They can smell you, and it's not an attractive smell. I tried to quit a couple times, but with the weight gain, it just got to me to where I decided to go back to smoking. My husband would notice that I would smell like an ashtray, and he would make those comments to me to help me want to quit. After a few months and years of that, and myself, I decided I'd quit. I found out about the Free and Clear program through my work and decided to give it a try. I was on a break, and a couple of the other girls had called in and was going to get on the program, so I called, and we had a 15-20 minute talk. I was kind of nervous about calling them at first, but then after you got on the phone and talked to them, they were helpful, and the quick coaches were real responsive. They would call and talk to me and ask me what issues I have and if there was anything they could do to help. My issue was weight gain. I hate to keep throwing it, but they talked to me about different things I could do, so we knew what I could work around. Even though I would miss a call from the coaches, they would call back. They wouldn't just not call because you didn't call them back or anything. They kept in touch. They're there to help you. They'll be there to support you, but you've got to want to do it and stick with it. Since I quit smoking, I don't have the cough that I used to have, and my husband's not telling me I smell like an ashtray anymore. I recommend the Free and Clear program to my friends, family, co-workers. The Free and Clear program is always there 7 days a week, and they're there for you to call and talk to whenever. This time I really do believe it's going to work for me because it's more me wanting to do it for me. I'm proud of myself for quitting smoking.